I needed some new knobs for my CNC router. So real quick, I designed some up in Fusion 360, printed them out on my Ender 3. Here I'm running it at 2.8 layer height, 6 walls, 40% infill. So it makes a really nice, solid knob. It only takes about an hour and a half to print this, maybe 2 depending upon your printer. Very little supports to remove. Once you get it going, these things pop off really easy. And there we go. Pick off a little bit of the support material and we have an extremely nice knob in my book. Everybody has their opinion. So I ended up getting these teenuts at the Woodsmith store. They're 1/4 20 teenuts, 3/4 inch diameter on the top, and they fit really nice into the recess. Once you get them placed, just grab that trusty soldering iron and melt them down into place. The nice thing about this is once you do get them set in, they are firm. They're not going anywhere. And just make sure not to burn the cord. So why go out and spend $5, $6, $7 on a knob when you can knock one out that looks as good as this for pennies on the dollar? Can't beat it. Now go make something. Have a great day, guys.